Hi there. I just wanted to show an example of creating a timeline. So I've started my timeline and I've hit edit. I'm going to give it a relevant headline. Now the headline here is for that opening screen of the timeline. So it's like your welcome screen, if you will. So I'm going to call this evolution of type. For the body text, I am going to add just a little blurb here about it. I'm going to skip zoom, skip background. Yeah, I'm going to skip the background image because it's not good. And for asset, now this is the image that's going to show up next to in that upper area of the timeline. I'm just going to do a quick Google search for a printing press image. And this one is from Encyclopedia Britannica. So I'm going to copy the image address, go back to H5P and paste. And the credit, where did that come from? Encyclopedia Britannica, that's right. So I'll just add that in here and add a caption as well. Gutenberg, I can do it. My typing is wonderful. And now the dates are all also necessary. And the headline is also required. Now this is at the timeline at the bottom. So copy and paste. I'm going to skip body text, skip tags, and skip the asset down here.